No, thank you.
Yes.
No, thank you.
No, come here.
Are you detaining me, sir?
Yes, I am. Stop.
For what crime?
Stop.
What is your reasonable, articulable? Do not touch
Turn
me, sir.
around. Turn around.
For what have I done?
I'm detaining you. Turn around.
For what suspicion?
Turn
What is your reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime? What is your RAS? It's funny? My freedom is funny to you? Yeah, no, it is. It's hilarious.
Welcome back to the First Amendment Audits channel. Today's video occurred on April 18th, 2023. It comes to you from the channel Ryan Theodore. Be sure to go subscribe to his channel. In this video, Ryan was walking around his neighborhood in the town of Kent in New York when the chief of police pulled up next to him in an unmarked vehicle and began questioning him. He began walking in the opposite direction, and more police units surrounded him, and an officer placed him in cuffs without valid reason. It is evident that these cops don't respect the civil liberties of the people, and it's apparent in the way they laugh at Ryan for questioning the fact why he's being stopped. You may be asking as well why he is being stopped? Well, the department received this call minutes before Ryan was stopped. It was an officer who made the call about somebody being on his property.
Kent Police Department?
Hey, what's going on? I live over at Seton Road. I just saw somebody ring my doorbell. I usually have no problem with people like soliciting around, but dude was like looking up and down my house. He stood there for a little while. He was writing stuff down, and then I saw him on the Google camera going to my driveway, and it looked like he was looking at my truck. I don't know if you want to just send somebody over there to see what this guy's doing over there. He's not at my property anymore, but I can describe him to you.
Sure. Can you tell me what direction he was going in?
Yeah, he went down Livingston towards Putnam Drive. That's the last I saw him.
Okay. Are you at home now?
No. I'm at work. I'm NYPD.
Okay,
So
and your
that's why
name, your first and last name, sir?
Sure, it's Steven.
And you saw this person on your Ring doorbell. Can you describe him to me?
Yeah, he's wearing like gray pants. It looks like a tan, like Carhartt type hoodie. It's male white.
White. Okay. All right. Gray pants, tan hoodie, male white. Okay. And about how long ago did this happen?
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes in the past. Okay. So, and he was just looking at the house, and then he left and is now headed down Livingston towards Putnam.
Yeah, it just struck me as strange. Like usually people ring and then they just go away, but stood there for a little while, and then he wrote something down, and then I saw him go into my driveway, and it looked like he was looking at my truck, and then I couldn't see him anymore. So
yeah, we do have people in the area. It's called home remodeling, and they're trying to sell you windows and doors, etc. But I'll send somebody up.
I know them. I know them, but his hoodie wasn't marked or anything.
No, thank you.
Yes.
No, thank you.
No, come here.
Are you detaining me, sir?
Yes, I am. Stop.
For what crime?
Stop.
What is your reasonable, articulable? Do not touch me, sir.
Turn around.
For what have I done?
I'm detaining you. Turn around.
For what suspicion? What is your reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime?
Yeah, multiple calls about you.
What is your RAS? This is unbelievable. What is your RAS? It's funny? My freedom is funny to you? Yeah, no, it is. It's hilarious. I just asked you to stop. And I'm not required to do that.
Yeah, you are when criminality is afoot, and we do have a
What is
complaint
your
matching
reasonable,
your description.
articulable suspicion?
We don't have to give all that to you.
What
We're
is your
looking for
probable
your name.
cause?
I have plenty of it.
You do?
I do.
I've never seen you before.
Well, good. Nice to meet you.
This is unbelievable.
Yeah, it is,
This
right?
is happening in America?
Yes,
I just saw that
you shouldn't be looking
police
through people's
officers
windows.
would start a man in their home at the wrong address, and then this is the follow-up in this country?
Let's talk for a second.
No, I don't want to talk to you. I want to be released and free to go. This is unbelievable.
We'll bring them down for...
Just stand with this officer for a second. We're going to
I
talk.
don't want to.
Okay, well, that's what's going to happen. We're just going to talk for a second.
This is insane.
There,
Is anybody available to film this?
no, you're being filmed right now.
No, I want a private. Are you seriously? What is
have
your
a
reasonable
seat.
suspicion?
Have a seat.
This is incredible that this is happening in America.
Yep.
I'm a free man. I've done no wrong.
Well, now you're detained.
That's fine.
What were you doing in people's yards, looking in their windows?
What are you talking about?
I
You have
exactly
evidence
what
of
I'm
this?
talking about. Absolutely.
May I see it?
Yeah, multiple
I want an
calls
attorney
about
present
it.
for any questioning.
Okay, that's fine. You can do that. That's your right.
Ryan handled this in the best way possible. It's easy to understand his frustration and angst when you put yourself in his shoes. Imagine walking through your own neighborhood and being automatically treated as a criminal by a group of uniformed men for a reason you have no comprehension of. It is mistakes and misconduct like this that turn average citizens into First Amendment auditors. When they too become victims of bad policing, their perspectives on police change and they realize the importance of filming and documenting every police interaction from that point forward. The example of bad policing amongst this department is only further proven right here, as they have muted the audio on the body cameras as they released it. Another sign of a lack of transparency and accountability amongst this department.
Nothing in, sir.
Can you just roll down the window?
Yeah. I gotta go from the other side.
Yeah. All right, man. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Okay. Listen, I know. I'm going to tell you, explain to you what. You don't have to talk to me. I'm just going to explain to you why you're in the back of the car right now. Okay. I'd like to know. We got a call from several people saying that there's somebody entering properties, knocking on doors,
Poking in windows.
And you match their description. So that's why you are where you are. Yeah, Ring doorbell camera.
Oh, okay.
So that's what it.
That's fine, and we will. And we're confirming that. You're only being detained right now. Okay? You're not under arrest.
What do you mean I'm not under arrest?
You're not under arrest.
We're just trying to explain to you what's going on.
Yeah, you're not charged with a crime, but you're not under arrest.
You don't know what the word arrest means.
Okay, well, you're being detained right now. Okay.
Detainment would mean to hold.
Okay, but I'm not here to argue with you. Can we just explain this?
You can do whatever you want. We're just trying to tell you what's going on.
Okay, you're not being charged with a crime.
Arrest. Exactly, but I am still under arrest. You put me in handcuffs. And
if that's your definition of it right now, at this point we're just talking. We're explaining your circumstances.
You've done more than talk, sir.
Okay, very fine. I don't care what you say. I'm just explaining to you what's going on right now. We're confirming if you match the description of that person right now, okay? And if you don't, and there's nothing wrong, you're going to be released.
Out beforehand.
Okay. I wasn't here for that. I'm just telling you what we're here to do.
You cannot do this to somebody. You have to have the evidence first,
sir,
before you can detain somebody.
I didn't put handcuffs on you, did I?
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Somebody did.
Of course. And now you're being detained, and that's it.
No, I'm under arrest.
Okay.
I haven't been we tried to tell you what's going on, okay?
We just wanted to let you know what's going on.
All right. But you didn't tell me why my rights are being violated. What did he say to you guys when you were talking? Yeah, basically just the, you can't arrest me anymore, that stuff. Just being difficult.
Before you ask him if he knows this guy.
Yeah. All right, man. Here's the deal.
Well, there's no deal. I don't have any agreements to make with you.
No, that's fine. We're looking for a guy, because there's another guy going around.
That looks like me?
Sweatshirt. Well,
you have to find that out beforehand. Before you can, you don't have reasonable articulable suspicion.
Well,
you broke the law. You are the criminal in this instance.
No, so we had two
yes,
separate
you are.
incidents.
You are violating
with
under color of law. I do not answer questions.
Okay.
I already said I want an attorney present for any questioning.
Okay, we're not.
You are again violating my rights. What do you mean? You just asked me a question.
Okay, hop on out, buddy.
Is that an order?
No, I'm just you want to sit in the car, okay? Here's your water. The phone's sitting on the hood of my car right there. You can grab it.
Yeah. Could you back up? I don't want anything to happen here.
No, you're good. We're not going to hurt you.
Yeah, you do. I do?
You seem like you do.
I wanted something to happen.
Yeah, you seem like you do.
Funny, right? You're funny. All right, Steve, you got everything?
Yeah,
I'm not done here. What is your name and badge number, sir?
It's right here.
That's what you tell the judge? What is your name? Can you articulate it? Can you articulate it, please? Can you articulate it?
Chief Owens from the town of Kent Police
Chief
Department,
Owens.
okay?
My officers all have
What?
their names right on
What is
their
your
thing.
badge number? Articulate it,
It
please.
says right there. 37.
Articulate it, please.
Good, you got
Articulate
video.
it, please.
I'm not articulating it.
What
Have
is
a
your
great
badge
day.
number, sir?
One. Number
Wow,
one.
wow, you have disdain for the public?
No, I have to.
What is your name and badge number, sir?
Detective Beauchene, 205.
Thank you very, sir, for your professionalism.
Have a great
Sir,
day. Yes, sir.
can I get your name and badge number, sir?
Jason F, Detective 35.
Thank you very much. Ready? Yeah. Look what they did to my wrists.
Not only did these officers get the wrong person, there was no authority to detain him because there's no report of criminal activity in the call for service. Ryan has since filed complaints against these officers. Be sure to go over and subscribe to his channel and show him some support. Use this video as a reminder to always record your police interactions.